Money talk, what the fuck is you talking about? $250,000 on the rich and I'm ballin' out. $500,000 at the trap, it's 100 house. Fuck your bitch, that she walk like a zombie now. I'm that nigga, her nigga be worried about. Pay my little custom gun, your big brother down. Got them banks, let my gang serve the whole town. Used to sell pounds, now I sell out shows now. Yeah, selling out shows, selling out hoes. I'm back on the road, let's go. Yo, let's get a bankroll until it can't fold in. Go get some more. Bitch, I'm G.I. Joe. Strapped up jeans like G.I. Joe. Play with me, your brains get played. Yeah, bitch, your brains get blowed. Yeah, ballin' too hard, bitch, look at this cone. Yeah, bitch, look at this cone. I'm a nigga with a lie, yeah, everybody know. See the shit tatted on my throat. Yeah, 30s on us, everybody got pros. Lisa, yeah, he commando. Yeah, I'm getting too much, they thought I sold my soul. Yeah, they thought I sold my soul.